Welcome everyone. I hope you've all been doing well these last few weeks. Now, you may already kind of know, but I've been kind of busy these last few weeks and I haven't really been able to get you guys some new content. And I feel bad, but don't worry, I've been working pretty hard on getting you guys some stuff. So what I've been working on, well, first off, I have a Udemy course now. I finally created a Udemy course. It's going to be about a little over an hour long. It's a hyper casual arcade game and it's meant for complete beginners. So if you're someone who wants to get into game dev, or if you're someone who has dabbled in Godot or game design a little bit and want to get more experience, definitely check out the course. The course is very, very easy and it's meant to take you from beginner almost to intermediate. It'll allow you to create your first complete game and even publish it if you would like. So definitely check out the course. It's going to be, I believe, 20 USD. Now there is going to be a discount for, I believe, 50% off for the first 5 days. So the first 5 days of this release, there's going to be a discount. It's going to be $9.99. And after that, for another 30 days, it's going to be, I believe, 40% off or 30% off for, I think, $13. And that's going to last for 30 days. So definitely check out the course if you're still seeing this video. Now, what else have I been doing? Well, I have been in the process of making a 3D RPG course. If you've been kind of around in the community of the Discord and Patreon, you might have seen a bit of sneak peeks into that already. And this RPG course is going to be kind of for intermediates and maybe advanced. It's going to be a very long course. It's going to be pretty big. I'll show you guys hopefully a preview maybe. And this course, I will put it on Udemy and I will put it on YouTube. So my goal for this is to hopefully get some support from Udemy, money-wise, but I also do want to get this course out on YouTube because there is nothing else like this on YouTube. You will not find a 3D RPG course or even a 3D course like this on YouTube for Godot. This course will be for Godot, so definitely check it out. If you would like to support the process and like to get more sneak peeks as I record and make the course, definitely support me on Patreon. That would be the best way to support me. If you also want to support me, but you also want something in exchange, definitely check out the Udemy course. I would really suggest it, even if you have some experience in game design and you've never published something or never completed a game, I really recommend you get this course. This course will actually allow you to create a game. Probably your biggest problem, I had this problem as well when I started, is making a game and actually finishing it from start to end. And this 1 hour course will do that. It's a very easy game and anyone can do it. So definitely check it out. And I hope you guys do well. Hopefully you guys learn lots and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.